Yes, I will. Does anybody know what this word collinear means? This is an important word. This is used in exams. Collinear? नहीं. Collinear का मतलब है points that are on the same line. तो उनके जो आपस में gradients होंगे, the gradients will be equal. Collinear points mean, imagine there are a lot of points like this. Now, okay, these are not good points. Let's make good points. Let's have this. Now, collinear points mean points that are on the same line. So if you notice, I have got only these 4 points that are lying on the same line. So these 4 points will be considered collinear. These 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I'm just writing now. I'll start teaching right after Azan.
आंसर आ रहा है 5 मेरा आ रहा है 25
I hope you've copied question 3 working. Chale beta, now read question 7. Read question 7 now. Chale. Now if you look at question 7, P, Q and R, these 3 points are collinear. That means if I make gradient of PQ, gradient of PQ, gradient of QR, gradient of PR, all 3 will be equal. All 3 will be equal. That's what it means. Gradient of all 3 pairs of coordinates will be equal. So since I want to find Z and Z is in R, what I will do is I will find the gradient of PQ first. Then I will find gradient of QR, and then I will equate both of them. So gradient of PQ is what? Let's give them coordinates. For PQ, I'll give them x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 is minus 2 minus 2 upon y2 is what? Minus 2. Y1 is minus 3. Sorry. It is minus 3. Upon x2 is 3 and x1 is 2. So what I got over here is minus 2 plus 3 is 1 upon 1. And gradient of QR is, now I can let these x2 and y2. So then this will be x1, y1. So minus 2 minus z, y2 minus y1 upon 3 minus 8. Please let me know if there is any question up till now. Please let me know if there is any question. Please hurry up. Let me know if there's any question. I'm waiting for like another minute or so. If this is clear, then I'll move on. Hurry up. Oh, go. Very, very good then. Rasal, why aren't you in class? Why aren't you face to face? It's not raining, beta. It's not raining. You just live 1 kilometer away from me. Hardly 1 kilometer away from me. It's not raining at all. No, beta. What raining? It only rained for 30-40 minutes around 12, between 12 to 2. I have a student sitting here. He's coming from Bilawala Surangi. Now I'll start once again from collinear points. Is that clear to you that what are collinear points? Foreign jawab de mujhe. Collinear points are points that are on the same line. For example, if this is the line, and now if I'm choosing a lot of coordinates on this, a lot of coordinates like this, all of these are A, B, C, D, E, F. All of these are collinear. I can call them collinear. What's the good point of calling them collinear is that if I find the gradient from here till here, that will be called gradient of AB. And if I find gradient from here till here, that will be called gradient of DE. These two will be same. These two will be what? Same. That is the main point about collinear points. Is that clear up till now? Now, I am using this property. This is the property that I am using. Let me erase all of this. This is the property I am using in this question. In this question, it says PQR. Imagine that this is the line. Imagine this is P, this is Q, this is R. So if I find the gradient from here till here, it will be called gradient of PQ, and this will be called gradient of QR. These two will be what? Equal, because they are collinear. The question says they are collinear. This means that these two will be what? Equal. Is that clear? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Is that clear? Now, since that is clear, that's what I'm doing. If you look at this, I found gradient of PQ, and then I found gradient of QR. Gradient of PQ is 1. Gradient of QR, I'm still simplifying. So negative 2, negative Z upon 3 minus 8, it is negative 5. Now these two are what? Equal. I will equate these two. Gradient of PQ equals gradient of QR. The reason was collinear points. Okay, that was the main point about this question. So PQ was 1 equals minus 2 minus Z upon minus 5. Now I can send minus 5 over to that side. It will be multiplied by 1. So negative 5 equals negative 2 negative Z. Bring negative 2 to this side. Minus 5 plus 2 equals negative Z. Negative 3 equals negative Z. Negative negative cancel. Z equals 3. Any question, Risal? I hope this is clear. Clear to everybody. Yes. Chale, that's good now. Now we'll move on to some more questions. Okay, we'll study some more questions. Collinear point is done. Can somebody please take a screenshot? I need to give some homework. The homework is question 4. Only 4.